let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange. Jim Cramer is standing by. Jim, lots to talk about today. That PPI number hotter than anticipated. Pepsi's results better than we expected, too. They've got pricing power, but that inflationary picture is the one that's going to be riding over the markets today.
Yeah, it was just plain bad. There's absolutely nothing to say about it other than it was bad. A lot of people are hoping that this number is going to be good, maybe accepting that tomorrow's going to be bad. The only thing that's actually even remotely positive about it is that there's nothing in it that's really shocking to the upside. It's just kind of just as bad as it's been. I did like the fact that Rick stressed that the high water mark was reached. That's the only thing that's good about it, though. The PepsiCo is different. PepsiCo only had 20 basis point gross margin problem, which means they really were able to pass on almost everything. Now, of course, the consumer gets hurt by that, but that was a very good, clean number. And I think that Hugh Johnson told a pretty good story. PepsiCo should be up big. That makes a lot of sense. I think the future is going to end up being down. But PepsiCo shows you, as did General Mills, that the companies that are involved in the food and beverage have really got a lot of pricing power. And brand power, Frito-Lay did fantastically. So there's a bull market in that particular group, but nowhere else.
That's what I was going to say. Are there other places where they can pass on the pricing to? What other areas would you anticipate, either sectors or companies? Nobody.
I think the gross margins are going to be very bad. That's the real problem. And I see gross margins coming down everywhere. I mean, General Mills was down 400 basis points, but they still ended up putting up good numbers. But PepsiCo is going to be terrific. I think Coca-Cola can be terrific. But when you look at the autos, when you look at airlines, I mean, I know the airline numbers look good, but I don't think the gross margins are going to be that good.
Yeah, I was wondering, just hotels, they were talking about how inflationary prices were really high on that. Maybe they've got some pricing power at the moment, or maybe it's just
there's no relief
pricing power.
There's no relief here. They can take the market up, but it'd be stupid, I think, because there's just nothing good here. It's a shame.
Thank you.
I thought there would be something good here, but there wasn't.
Yeah, I know. It was a disappointing PPI. Jim, thank you. We will see you in just a few minutes.